Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. If you just got a Cricut for Christmas, congratulations and welcome to the club. Today I'll walk you through making an easy, beginner-friendly project using vinyl. I will be labeling this jar for cat food, but you can apply these same steps to any label you want instead. All you need for this project is an empty jar from the dollar store and some vinyl. The vinyl I'm using today is Cricut's premium permanent vinyl in black. I cut a piece of vinyl a little bit larger than my design, and now I will stick it down to a green mat. Your machine might have come with a blue mat. If you try cutting a vinyl project and the vinyl isn't cutting through properly, just try switching to a green mat and use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. Now I'll pop it into my maker. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. Grab your weeder tool and use it to pull off the background. Flip the mat over and peel the mat away from the vinyl to get it off. Take a piece of transfer tape, a bit larger than the design, and stick it on. Use your scraper tool to stick it down to the vinyl really well. Flip it over and peel off the backing paper. And this is ready to go. Now let's get the jar ready. If you want your labels to be able to handle the dishwasher, then you need to prep the jar before applying the vinyl. It's pretty easy to do. Just take some rubbing alcohol and clean the jar to remove any dust or oils from your hands. Let this dry completely before you stick on the vinyl. Now I can place the design into position. That looks good, so I'll stick it down, starting in the middle and working my way out. I'll grab my scraper tool again and use it to stick the vinyl down really well. Now I can carefully pull off the transfer tape. This project is done and ready to go. Let this cure for 3 days before you use it, then this is ready to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.